It's Tuesday, August 10th, 2010. It's about 6 a.m. Temperature's already in the mid-80s, but it feels a lot hotter than that. Getting an early start because I really want to avoid the sun if I can. I've not been arrowhead hunting in quite a while. I thought I'd give it another try today. I have to bust some brush to get to a creek over there. But I haven't hunted it in probably a year, so I'm hoping there'll be something exposed by now. If someone else hasn't already beat me to it, that is. But I'll get back with you soon, one way or the other. Out for now. First piece of the day, or so it looks. Oh yeah. Big old rice side notched. Nice little point. Not sure if that's mosaic eyed or what that might be. Good start to the day. Let's continue. It's only 6:18 and I'm already dripping sweat. It's going to be a hot one again today. Nice fish. I've already found another piece. Looks like a drill. Oh yeah. Nice drill. Made from the stem point. Probably a Dixon. Nice complete piece. Day's starting out pretty good. Let's continue. Before I turn this, I know what it is. I did put it back in place, but it's a broken large blade or possibly silt. Let's wash this bad boy off. It's awfully thin and well made. It could be a large preform, I suppose, but I believe it's a silt. Or was. Too bad. My glasses got so wet with sweat, I had to dip them in the water to rinse them off. And even though they're coated with water now, I can still see a lot better. Turn this on to show this. That is a large deer track. And let's get a look at that old boy. You see the dew claws here, hoof there. Looks like he was walking. Forepaws in the rear paw there. Nice deer. Okay, I was walking up the bank here and I saw this, but I want you to looky here. There's another one. Second time in a year I've got a double that close. I'm not sure if they're going to be complete points or not. Let's find out. It's cool as hell finding them like that. It's hard for me to see. My glasses are so covered in sweat, but that looks like a complete bird point. I don't believe that's damaged. It looks like it's worked that way. Pretty well flat on one side and worked on the other. This one has damage, missing the tip. Cool. Very cool. Keep going a little longer. I'll tell you, I'm getting dehydrated pretty quick. I don't think I'd be any wetter if I jumped in the damn river. But I'll go a little longer. Well, I was on my way out. Apparently I walked by this on the way in. I'm not sure if it's a grinding stone or a nutting stone or artifact or geofact. I don't know. I believe that's going to be a nutting stone, so carry that back with me. Incredible how hot I can get out here. Whew. Hopefully I'll make it back to the truck without passing out. We'll see.